Grizzly Island Road, Suisun City, California. What's up, guys? Today I'm doing one that I've wanted to do for quite a while now, and that's ride to the end of Grizzly Island Road. We're coming up on the first bridge. I've actually, when I was a kid, I've been in the boat fishing underneath these bridges. See how it looks for you guys. So this way, it's a dead end, it says, but can't help but to go on to some gravel. It's been a while since I've been off-road at all. Gumtree Farm, huh? Yeah, what it is out here is all the different duck hunting units. There's a hunting club out here. Wow. I figure this might be kind of a cool picture. This little dilapidated old thing. Probably not, but we'll see. See what's in here. Oh, there's birds and stuff. This might be a cool black and white picture. Creepy. Look at all this. Alright, let me get the hell out of here. Pulling away from dilapidated old little shack. Man, it's 3:45 and I've barely got out here. Oh, I'm wondering, I'll probably end up being out here past dark. Creepy, Grizzly Island in the dark. Ooh. Pavement ends. That's the sign we like to see. Area open sunrise to sunset only. Well, like I was just saying, hopefully I get out of here before the sun goes down. There we are. There's the back on the gravel. There's really just nothing out here. It's definitely a good place to come and practice. Say if you're brand new to adventure riding, you can come out here and just do laps up and down. You get used to the feel of being slightly off-road. I wouldn't even really consider this off-road, but off pavement, I guess. Backlit by the sun. That means I'm going to put my magnetic HDF filter on. I got this little it's a carrier for coins, and it holds this magnetic filter perfectly. I'll put that in there. Boop. I'll probably end up leaving it on the rest of the day so I don't have to. Let's take that again, and that's a black and white. I think I like the black and white better. Yeah, definitely. Just open road right out here for sure. I've been wanting to make a video riding out here you know, it's one of my local back roads, and I've been out here quite a few times. I think I've only ridden out here once, maybe twice. It's not a whole lot out here, as you can see, but it's cool. I like it. Ooh, they got a doggy. Not a bad way to spend a Sunday afternoon out here fishing. Yep, here it is. The official end of the line. Be cool to stay out here and watch the sunset, but I gotta get back. Still gonna try to take pictures on the way back, though maybe there's some stuff that I missed. Try to get a picture of the reflection on the water. That's always a fun thing to take a picture of. I gotta be careful, I don't know where this ledge ends. Man, that would suck to fall in. Dude. Let's see what the water looks like now that the sun has peaked out quite a bit. Oh. Almost walked right into a spider web. Man, this is too much fun today. I don't want to go back home. I'm gonna stay out here all day. This will be a fun video to make. I can't wait to see these pictures. Here we go. Oh, look at that chair. I don't know why that excited me so much. Oh, I gotta be careful right here. That looks like some sloppy mud, so this is as far as I go. Alright, let's go take a picture of that chair. Isn't it funny? The sort of things that we get excited about as photographers. Hey, what's up, man? Checking fishing licenses, huh?
Oh, no, I'm looking at doing a survey.
Oh, okay, cool. I'm just taking pictures.
No, I get you. Thanks, Mike.
Right on, thank you.
Look at this.
You too. Back on the road, back on the pavement. It's 5 o'clock. I'm gonna get home probably right at sunset. That was super fun going out there. I think I got some really good pictures. Can't wait to look at them while I'm editing this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. You know, trying to focus a little more on photography, but still definitely a moto photo vlog, I guess. But yeah, go ahead, like and subscribe, and thank you again for watching. All right.